throat. Whoa. Hello friends, and welcome to the most powerful YouTube channel ever created, the amazing pop culture YouTube channel starring me, Dags. Today we have a powerfully fun video. No, it's not going to be fun, I'm lying. I'm going to have to eat two one chip challenge, the 2022, I know it's 2023, we waited, Paqui One Chip challenge. No one else wanted to do it with me, so that's why I'm doing it twice, because everyone's chickened out. So I'm literally going to have to eat 2 chips instead of 1. Last year I did 1 and that was bad enough. Now I got to do 2. But before I start, do me a favor, do one thing, couple things actually. Click subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like, click the notification bell, and tell a friend about this podcast. Also, don't forget, I'm going to tell you now so you won't forget, we have an audio podcast, the amazing pop culture podcast, starring me, Dags, also. Without further ado, because we don't have any ados left, I'm going to start eating these chips now. This is the Paqui One Chip Challenge 2022. It says, turns your tongue blue. Rhymes with 2022. Warning, do not eat this if you're sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, are pregnant, or have any other medical conditions. Keep out of the reach of children. After touching chip, wash your hands with soap. Do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. So here we go. God have mercy on my soul. So it's a little coughing. And that's what I'll be doing, coughing. So let's go here. Okay, here's the inside of it. It's got cool graphics. It says what to expect. Tongue takeover, shock the senses, surge of tears, jolt to the gut, voltage overload. Rules for the challenge, eat the entire chip, prove it, show us your tongue. Wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything, and post your reaction on social media. Any famous last words?
We're all gonna die.
And this is what you show after you defeat the challenge. So here's the other box. We'll get that open. Same thing. 2 chips. That. Put this here. And then I do have the phone. So what I'm going to do, we'll do a 5-minute burn. I'll eat it. And then wait 5 minutes or so. We'll see what happens here. And a cool electric blue packaging. That's 1. Here's 2. 2 chips. Oh, this is not going to be good. All right, here we go.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Tastes terrible. For some reason, I got 5 minutes, 20, whatever. Getting the hiccups. Fingers are blue. I'm a cop, you idiot. My name is Detective John Kibble. Stop whining. Well, the timer stopped? All right, let's start it up again. Oh, it's still going. Oh, this is not good. It's very hot. I think it's hotter than last time. It's in my tongue, throat. Whoa, tears. A little chill for me. Oh, it's tough to talk. How much time? It's hot. Comes in waves. Tsunamis. So make sure you follow us on Twitter at AmazingPopPod. Check out Facebook. We're on Facebook. Like our Facebook page. And man, how much time? About 2 minutes. What do you think, Spidey? I think you're an idiot. Yeah, I think so too. No paper towels, no Kleenex. Just a blue tongue and tears. Sadness. How much time? Oh, this is good. What's it like to watch me suffer? Is it fun?
Are you not entertained?
It hurts more than last time. More in my throat. Last time was on my tongue. This is all in my throat. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat after. Ice cream, milk, soda, I don't know. Man. Hurry up timer. Not fun. Don't try this at home. But do try our podcast, Amazing Pop Culture Podcast. Available everywhere fine podcasts are found. And make sure you like, subscribe, and all that jazz with this video. Do it for me, because I'm dying. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. Let's see here. That one hurt. Not gonna lie, that one hurt. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of me suffering. And until next time, you've just enjoyed the Amazing Pop Culture Podcast YouTube channel.